In this demonstration, we're gonna see how we can join Windows machine to the Azure AD and as well as the on-premises Active Directory. So that is known as Hybrid Azure AD join. So by hybrid join, you can leverage the group policies that you have in your on-premises Active Directory, and you can apply those group policies to your machine, as well as the machine is registered in the Azure, so you can use the Intune for deploying the policies, as well as you can use the conditional access that can be applied onto the machines which are hybrid joined. So there are some prerequisites that you have to meet before you can join any machine to Hybrid Azure AD. First of all, the devices which you will be hybrid joining, these URLs must be accessible from those devices, and if you are using any proxy for internet, so you have to make sure that these URLs are allowed. Also, you must be having a Azure AD Connect latest version, so this version or later is required, so you can configure the hybrid Azure AD join in the Azure AD Connect, and it will configure the service connection point in the Active Directory for you. Also, the computer accounts must be synced from on-premises Active Directory to Azure AD. So you have to enable syncing of your computer accounts from your on-premises Active Directory to Azure AD. So let's see how we can configure these things. Okay, I'm on my Windows Server machine, where this is a domain controller in the on-premises, as well as it's having the Azure AD Connect role installed. So for enabling Hybrid Azure AD join, you have to configure Hybrid Azure AD join in the Azure AD Connect. So for that, click on the Azure AD Connect. Now configure device options. So as you can see, Hybrid Azure AD join enable devices in your Active Directory forest to register with Azure AD for access management. Computers in your organization will automatically discover Azure AD using service connection points which are registered when you configure this Hybrid Azure AD join using the Azure AD Connect. So it will register the service connection point in the Active Directory so that the devices in your on-premises network can find the Azure AD and can join automatically to it. Now I have to provide the Azure AD Global Administrator account password. So this is the Azure AD Global Administrator account that is provisioned in the Azure AD. Now the select the device option to configure. I'll be configuring Hybrid Azure AD join. Now click next. So which operating system you want to be hybrid join? Windows 10 or later operating system, or any downloadable operating system like Windows 8 or Windows 2012 R2. So the Windows 10 or later domain join devices supports the operating system like Windows 10 operating system, Windows 2016 or Windows 2019. Currently I'm just going ahead with the Windows 10 machine or later operating system because I have Windows 10 machine in my network. Now SCP configuration, the service connection point is used by your devices to discover your Azure AD tenant information. If your devices are in different forest, each forest need a service connection point. So you have to add that forest information over here. So you must register the forest first in your Azure AD Connect. So currently I have just one forest, and the name of the forest is yampanet.com, and the authentication service is Azure Active Directory. I have to add the enterprise admin credential over here. So this is the enterprise admin credential of my on-premises yampanet.com domain. Alright, now click configure. Fine, so hybrid Azure AD join configuration has been completed. Now let's go back to the Azure portal. Now over here in the Azure Active Directory, click on devices, and as you can see there are no devices currently registered in the Azure AD. So now let me show you how a device can be hybrid joined automatically. Okay, so this is the Windows 10 machine, and it's not currently joined to any domain. It's just in a work group. So if we go to the system properties, so as you can see it's currently in work group. Now for hybrid join, this machine should be part of domain. You can only hybrid join the machines when they are part of the domain. So once this machine will be part of the domain, it will automatically be hybrid join, and you will see this device in the Azure portal. Okay, before that you have to make sure that the computer counts from your Active Directory are getting synced from on-premises to the Azure AD. So if I open the Active Directory, so this folder is currently getting synced to Azure AD, and you can change the configuration option from Azure AD Connect. If you want to customize your synchronization option, so you can just click on the customize synchronization options, click next, and enter your Azure AD global admin account password. As you can see that this OU and one more OU is selected, so these OU will be syncing from on-premises to the Azure AD. So when I'll join any machine to the on-premises Active Directory, they will come by default to this container. I have to move those computer counts into this OU so that those devices can get synced to the Azure AD. Now if you want to modify anything, so you can just do over here, like if you want to sync everything, so you can just select all the OUs. Now as of now I do not have any computer count. This computer count is the default account which is created when I enabled the SSO in the Azure AD Connect. So this is not a genuine computer count, it is just being used by Azure AD. Now I'll join that machine to this domain. So this is my domain admin credential. Alright, so this machine is now joined to domain, so it will just ask for restart. And I should see the computer count of that machine over here. So that's the computer count, and in order to this account get synced to the Azure AD, I have to move this to the OU which is syncing from this Active Directory to the Azure AD. So now I moved that computer count to this OU. So either you can wait for the synchronization to happen, or otherwise you can forcefully synchronize everything which is changed. So I'll open the synchronization service and perform a delta synchronization, so it will pull up all the changes and sync to the Azure AD. Okay, it succeeded. uh, it didn't pick up anything. Let me synchronize the Azure AD connector as well. Okay, I'll just run the synchronization again. Just do full synchronization. Alright, so it didn't picked up that computer count yet. Sometime it takes time. So either you can do one more thing if it is not working in the Azure AD Connect. Configure the synchronization option. Next. Yeah, I see that computer count over here. Now click next. Click next. So start the synchronization process when configuration completes. Okay, now I can watch that synchronization happening over here. So the last update was 604. Alright, so the synchronization happened, and let's see if it picked up that new change. Alright, so it picked up that client computer, and it must have also synced to the Azure AD. So we can check in the Azure AD portal. Now I just hit refresh, and there you go. You see the machine is now Hybrid AD joined with the status, but the registered is pending. It will just take some time for getting registered. Until this state get changed from pending to registered, the conditional access policies will not be applied onto this machine. Now I can force this process by logging into the client machine. I'm currently logging into the client machine using my domain admin credential. Okay, I'm logged in, so let's check the status. So it's registered. Alright, so you have seen that the device is registered here with the status Hybrid Azure AD joined automatically. You just have to configure the Hybrid Azure AD in the Azure AD Connect and allow the syncing of your computer accounts from your on-premises Active Directory to the Azure Active Directory. So once you join any machine to the domain, so they will automatically be hybrid join. Now you can manage this device from the Azure AD tools like the Intune, or you can still manage the device using the traditional group policies.